Hi, and welcome to another episode of Christian Capitalism. The concept of Christian capitalism is something that I've been working with for the past 20 years. And basically, I think that the way we're going to go in this country to get this country back on solid track, one nation under God and being successful, okay, is the concept of Christian capitalism. That is doing well financially to do good. And why? For the glory of God. That mindset matters. That mindset is what began this country, in my opinion, and will get this country back where it needs to be. So with that said, this is all about a campfire talk where I'm sharing things that have helped Todd. Todd's help. Todd's 10 to Win is a little system I put together, and I want to share with you, and I have been sharing with you. And it is meant to give you a guide. You're going to develop your own. No two people are going to do things the same, but this is sort of a model or a guide to help keep me focused and accountable. And for everything that I have accomplished in my life, it's been because I've adhered to that system, okay? And as we go through it, I'll start at the beginning and go through. Today we're going to talk about 7, 8, and 9 of Todd's 10 to Win. But I'll recap from the beginning. The first one is pray. We begin everything and anything with prayer and end with prayer. Prayer is the most important tool we have in life. The second one was spend time with family and plan that first before you do anything. The third one was pay yourself first. Have a system and a process. When you have a problem, make it a process. You won't have a problem anymore. You hear me say that over and over again. You take 20 cents out of every dollar and put it aside to savings, and later you refine it. But that system of taking it off the top automatically, that's what it's all about. So after that, you have to write down your goals. And that's number 4. You have to eat right. And there's a system for that I call Keto Med. We talked about it earlier. And finally, you have move more. If you're not moving at all, start a little bit. If you're moving a little bit, move a little bit more. But have a system that's repeatable. As I always say, I have a system that can go with me anywhere we go. And we talked about that in the previous episode. Today, we're going to focus on 7, 8, and 9. Very important steps in Todd's 10 to Win. 7, 8, and 9. 7 is that you have to learn something. You got to learn something every day. Even if it's 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes a day, read something that it has to do with God, motivation, and money, or preferably a combination of all three. Learn something every day, okay? Second thing is you have to form a team if you don't already have one. Have an advisory group, a group of people that you work with on a regular basis. Mine consists of my financial consultants, my partners, a CPA, a mortgage person, a lender, just people that help me to get things done. And I meet with them on a regular basis. And that's what I advise to you. Form a team and then review regular. That's number 9. Get together with them on a regular basis, and that holds you accountable. I try to do it once a week. You may do it once a month or every quarter, but that's the goal. Todd's 10 to Win. So remember, as my good friend Phil always says, now in the next episode, we're going to talk about the final one in Todd's 10 to Win, which is HOPE. It's an acronym for Help Other People Excel. We're going to elaborate and spend some time on that. But remember this, I'll leave you with, until I see you again. Uncle Phil always says, and he always says it, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. God bless.